All right, everyone, looking at Luna Classic. It's been a while since we looked at Luna Classic. So, Luna Classic, after it lost the 135 level here, we're currently at 122. We've been pretty much just getting accumulated down here in between the bottom and the 786 here. You can see a couple of times here we tried to get back over that. So, we're either going to blast out of here or this thing's going to break down even further. You can see your next stop is going to be all the way down here at 103. But in my opinion, if you lose this 120 level, it's going to get extremely bearish on Luna Classic here. So we'll go ahead and measure the downside first. If you drop about 2% or so and you lose this 30120, then your next stop looks like it's down here to 1272 at 30103. So that's what I would watch for on the way down. Like I said, you really don't want to break down below the bottom here. You got some nice accumulation at hand, or at play rather. So what I would look for, you can see that it is pretty bearish on the chart. We have the 21 with a huge gap between that and the 50 and the 200-day EMA here. And you do have this downtrend intact here. So what I would watch for, if you do in fact bounce higher, you can see your price to beat is the 786 here. So you need to get back above your 21, which is going to act as resistance. It is currently sitting at 131. So you need to get over 131 at about a 7.5% move. But then ultimately this 786 at 135 here for about 11% move or so, depending on where you are in price. So 135 is your big price to beat. If you can get over that, hold this as support, not just turn into a wick like it did back here, then you'll have a shot at getting over this downtrend and the 50-day EMA, which is currently at 143. So you need to get over the 21, get over the 50, break above this downtrend, and then ultimately get up here to your 618 at 149 to get any kind of momentum back to the upside on Luna Classic. So if you don't just bounce here and blast out of here, there is a lot of resistance that you need to get over. So just kind of watch those prices there. And as for the MACD, it's going sideways. It is curled up just a little bit here, but we're below the 200, below the 0, below the 50 on the RSI. It's curled down a little bit here. Price is pretty much flat. So other than that, I really don't see much on the chart. It's just you need to hold support here and you need to bounce. Looking at the Heikin-Ashi, starting to print red here. There is no shadow on this one so far. So if that remains the case, then that's going to mean that your trend to the downside is going to get stronger. So yeah, I would just watch the bottom here where you're accumulating at this 120 level. You really need to hold this to have any kind of shot at bouncing or moving higher, and then watch all that resistance to the upside on Luna Classic. So yeah, we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.